Nagutom siya. Yun oh. Early in the morning, yan ang breakfast ni Monkey Monks. Monks! Sarap niyang kumain. Matamis siguro ito. Yun oh, naghahanap na naman siya. Mag-isa siya. Ba't mag-isa? Saan yung mga kasama mo? Sarap niya kumain. Ang galing niya. At least hindi nasasayang yung mga prutas. Ang galing niya. Ay, nahulog na naman. Ay, nahulog na naman. Baba ka na lang. Kunin mo. Yun, nakuha. Laki niya, oh, oh. Nakarami siya eh, oh. Di sasakit tiyan mo dyan. Maaga. Yun oh guys, mga kapatid. Yan oh, ayun pa yung isang kumakain. Yung langka. Yun oh, natatakpan siya. Yun yung isa. Squirrels at unggoy ang nandyan. Yun oh, yun silang yun oh. One family sila oh. Ayun yung ina. Nandun yung dalawa doon. Lao. Ganda ng kuha nila. Squirrels and monkeys. But the squirrels are not there because the monkeys are there. You know, inuubos na nila yung langka. Yan. Ayan sila oh. Yun oh. It's a families. One babies. Ayun ang mother. The mommy is there. Down the fruit. And there are some more. Look, so big. Yeah. The baby is there on the fruit. Eating there, over there, the baby. And the father, I guess, is there. Just guessing. Oh, actually, it's two babies. Yeah, they have two babies. And the father, I don't know actually if they are. And the other one is down there. It's so cute, the monkey. Oh, you know, I don't need to go to the Monkey Mountains. Well, I've been there, but look, my brothers and sisters are already here. See, those are cute. Monkey. Eating. Look, they already almost finished all the fruits. When I came here, like a lot of fruits in there, but then now, no more the others. Only one, two, three left. Maybe after that, no more. They will be gone. The other one is there, looking. See? They look like a human being actually. You know. Oh. The monkeys. I think some are on the other trees too. In the other trees. Oh, there. Yeah. So this is their house. My sisters and brothers are here. I know. Yeah. Ay, enough.